Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the benefits of LazyPay. You might be asking, what are the benefits of using LazyPay? Well, I'm going to get right to it. LazyPay offers several benefits to its users, primarily focused on providing a convenient and flexible way to manage payments and access credit. The first advantage is convenience and speed. Because LazyPay allows for quick and easy transactions, often with a one-tap payment option, eliminating the need to enter card details or wait for OTPs for every purchase. This speeds up the checkout process, especially for online shopping. The second advantage is buy now, pay later service. You see, a core benefit is the ability to make purchases and pay for them later. LazyPay typically offers a 15-day interest-free period to settle these consolidated bills. The disadvantage is a flexible repayment option. Beyond the short BNPL cycle, that is buy now, pay later cycle, LazyPay also provides options to convert larger purchases into flexible, equated monthly installments (EMIs), with tenures ranging from 3 to 25 months, making high-value purchases more affordable. Next advantage is access to instant credit. Users can get access to a credit limit based on their financial behavior, even potentially without a traditional credit history. This credit limit can be used for various purposes, including online shopping, bill payments, and sometimes even transfer to a bank account as a cash advance, though interest and fees may apply for cash advances and EMIs. Next is minimum documentation. The application and approval process for a LazyPay credit limit is often digital and requires minimum documentation, typically just basic information like PAN and adhere details. Consolidated billing is a disadvantage you get. All transactions made using the pay later options are often consolidated into a single bill, generated twice a month, simplifying tracking and repayments. Disadvantage is that there's no hidden charges for buy now, pay later within the interest-free period. When payments are made within the stipulated interest-free period for the buy now, pay later option, there are generally no additional charges or hidden fees. However, interest and processing fees apply for personal loans, cash advances, and EMI conversions. Disadvantage is increased purchasing power. By providing a credit line, LazyPay allows users to purchase items or services even if they don't have sufficient funds immediately available. Disadvantage is potential for building credit history. Responsible use of LazyPay, including timely repayments, can help users build a positive credit history. Next is partnership and offers. LazyPay has partnerships with a wide range of online merchants and platforms, often providing users with exclusive offers and discounts. The third advantage is, in summary, LazyPay provides you a user-friendly platform for managing online transactions and accessing short-term credit with flexible repayment options, aiming to make online payments more convenient and purchases more accessible to you. Hope you found this video extremely helpful.